Hi friends, thank you for coming back. I thought we would do ocean with a palm tree, maybe like that one. And I'm going to move for a little orange in the background. So what I want to do first, okay, I did dampen my canvas. And I'm going to come in with, let me see, it's like a gold. I'm going to do the bottom. And you'll see why. This will be the sand area. Okay. Here you go. I hope everybody's having fun. We're having a good time. I know I am. Okay. Just kind of get that a little up there. There you go. Now I'm going to switch brushes. It's the same brush. Well, same family as a brush. It's flat. Now I'm going to come in my dark blue and my white, which makes a beautiful white blue. And I'm going to start about here. You can always flip your brush over if you have too much on one side. The trick is to make sure your brushes are wet. Get the canvas kind of wet too. It glides over a lot better. Now, I'm going to dab some orange. Dab a little white with the orange. Okay. That's what I'm in the mood for. Oh boy, okay. Now we're going to pull that down in the blue. And later that'll look more like a reflection off the water. Dampen my brush, and we'll come in with a little bit more. There you go. Oh yeah. Okay, you can make your sky any way you want. You guys run that across like this. And palm trees are very easy to make, so that'll be a real cool thing that we're going to do today. We're going to pull that down. Okay. We got some nice blending. We have the sand in here. We have the orange coming through. Okay. I think I'm going to just dab a little white in that. Yeah, I think I'm going to lighten that up somewhat. Oh boy. I like that already. So we got a couple different colors here. Now I'm going to take the angular brush. Many different companies call it, again, angular or angle. Okay. I'm going to come in with some medium brown, and I'm going to kind of outline this somewhat. Okay. This is going to be our beach area. Make just like it's a little hill up here. And I like it when the brush is carrying a little wetness to it. Helps it blend. And remember, in nature, not everything's straight across. You're going to come up. Okay. I'm very pleased with that. Okay, and then you're gonna bring that brush and kind of bring it down. There you go. Smooth out that area right there. I'm gonna smooth out this area. You want it to look like sand on the beach. Okay. Now this is blending very nice. I'm very happy with that, and that's all you're doing. You're taking your angular brush, you're coming through, and you're giving it just a little twist. You're going to wind up having your own favorite brushes as you go. But I like the angular brush. I like that. Now we got the bottom. I'm kind of pleased with that right there. Okay. Now, what we're going to do, also with the angular brush, I'm going to wipe it off, okay? I'm going to come in with a very dark brown. It's like a burnt sienna. Okay. And to soften that, always go a little white if you like, okay? It changes that color up. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to go down with the point, straight up, and you're going to twist. And you're going to twist. You're going to twist this way, and you're going to twist that way. Okay? This now will work off of this as your palm tree, which is probably one of the easiest things to make. We're going to get a little greenery in there for that. And so what I want to do, I just want to make my palm tree a little wider. So I got my light brown and my dark. I'm going to bring it straight up like that. Here we go. I got the camera on my left. Make sure you see. And twist. That's what I love about the angular brush. It goes whatever. Watch. Go from the point, you twist it down. Go to a point, you twist it down. And we're going to be going right over this. And we're going to be doing our leaves. So far we got sky. We have the orange coming through. Looks like a nice reflection in here. And now we're carving out with the sand, which we're going to wind up doing, I think maybe a couple of those, like this high seagrass over here. And so the main thing, this will be our outline for, okay, I love an angular brush. Great. Okay, this is really cool. I'm liking that. I like the two-tone colors off of that. Okay, friends, please come back. I'm going to show you how to make a palm tree. I hope everybody's having fun. I really do have fun. Knowing I'm doing videos, maybe I'm helping somebody just put a smile on your face, or take your paintings and hang them up or give them a gift. Thank you again for tuning in, and hopefully you'll tune in for step number 2. You have a great day, okay, friends? All right, bye-bye now.